What's up, YouTube? Moto Moose here. So, we're having a mild day today, and actually it was a mild weekend, so I ended up digging out my landscaping trailer that was frozen, and digging it all out of the snow piles and getting all the snow out of it. So today I'm going to be bringing the bike into Richmond Motorsports to get some new rubber put on. At the end of last season, the belts started showing on my tires, so definitely in need of some new rubber this year. So we're going to get that done, trailer it on over there, and Len at Richmond Motorsports is going to take care of my baby. All right, back from Richmond Motorsports. The bike is dropped off. It's going to get some new rubbers put on. Yeah, I like to do work on my own bike, but the one thing I'm really not comfortable doing is any work that involves taking the back tire off. With my previous bike, I had a couple bad experiences getting the back tire back on. The little ruler scales were worn off on one side of the swing arm, so it was very hard to get the back tire on straight. And if you don't have your back tire on straight, you end up in a lean just to keep the bike driving straight. So it's one of those things that always makes me a little nervous because my eyesight on judging on those measurement marks aren't that great. So I don't mind bringing it into to Len at Richmond Motorsports and getting him to do the heavy lifting on that for me. The only things I have left now are, once I get the bike back, I'm going to do an oil change. I'd put fresh oil in it for the winter, but I didn't change the filter. I don't see any point in putting a brand new filter just to sit for the winter. So fresh oil to keep it well lubed up for the winter, and then I'll do an oil change, change the filter, and then I have a gear indicator light on order from Heel Tech. So that's coming in. Once that gets in, we're going to install a gear indicator light, and after that, it should be a nice springtime and be ready to hit the roads. Yeah. So thanks for sticking around throughout the slow winter months. Really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe if you'd like, if you want to keep seeing these kinds of videos. Also, we have a 500 subscriber giveaway coming up, and my phone's ringing. We have a 500 subscriber giveaway coming up. So if you subscribe, you'll be entered into that draw, and we will see you soon. For now, Moto Moose out.